I'm here under the bridge of Highway 8 that goes from Minnesota to Wisconsin in Interstate State Park. Getting started with some beautiful views from under the bridge here. I was just right over there. The St. Croix River. We're gonna walk through downtown Stillwater, and the trail starts like 2 blocks through downtown. So it's a historic town. Not sure exactly for what. Maybe just being one of the first settlements in Minnesota, but some old buildings right here. Old jail, courthouse. Pretty cool. Alright, we've reached the actual trailhead. The railroad trail, I guess it's called. Let's check it out. Probably about a mile in now. Like you'd expect from a railroad grade, it's just a steady incline. As you probably can't see, I'm a good like 150 feet higher than the road down there. So I'm kind of curious how I'm going to get over across the road, but this does cross the road eventually. There's no bridges, I can tell you that. Huh, so this is interesting. So the trail just kind of ends. I'm curious as where the railroad went. Maybe there was a big truss bridge here or something at one point. But yeah, so down the stairs we go. Like I said, good 150 so feet. I'm gonna count stairs. Yeah, judging by the looks of those cement piles there was some kind of major bridge here. I see two more off in the woods over there. There's 2 here. And they would line up. So yeah, it looks like there was a big truss bridge here at one point. Kind of cool. And now I lost count of how many stairs there were. Dang it. Gorgeous little area here at the bottom of the ravine. The Sandstone Bluffs Trail goes up that way. It's not on my map. I'll have to check that one out. Railroad trail continues up the other side of the ravine. I'm so excited for that. Yay! So the bridge would have ended right about here. I guess we don't climb all the way up back up to the top. We're gonna go back down this way. Awesome. This place is actually pretty cool. Other than the fact that it's right alongside the highway and it's really noisy, it's actually pretty cool. Alright, so here I've reached the fork. This is where the Sandstone Bluffs Trail comes down. I'm gonna have to check that out. It looks actually really cool. I'm gonna have to go the other way so I come down those stairs though. Yeah. Anyway, we go this way under the highway. And then I believe we're going to be getting into the really cool stuff. Alright, so I passed the park office and the campgrounds. The campgrounds are just through the woods over here. But it did say they were full. So, plenty of people here at Interstate State Park. Alright, here's the mighty St. Croix River. You can see all the people out there kayaking stuff. That's about where the campsite is. Everyone out enjoying the water. It's nice and warm today. It's like 75. Very muggy. Beautiful day. Gorgeous. A lot of people out there on the river. Kayaks and all sorts of stuff. Alright folks, I think we're at the point where we're going to start climbing down now. I'm going to take a break. We're well past halfway. So I'm going to pick one of these rocks and call break time. Found a little spot to sit here on a rock. Got some Ruffles, a Coke, and I had some beef sticks too, but I think I forgot them in the car. Or they might be laying on the trail somewhere. But anyway, check out this view. YouTube gives me lots of information about my channel. A couple of things I've noticed is a lot of you guys aren't watching the whole video. And like this video, and like most of my videos, I like to save the best stuff for the end. So a lot of you guys are missing the best stuff because you're cutting out too early. So don't do that this time because we got good stuff coming up and you don't want to miss it. Second, YouTube also tells me that about 90% of you guys that are watching my channel are not subscribed. So if you keep coming back, maybe you should subscribe to my channel. Okay, break time's over. I've been sitting here for about 25 minutes just watching this cloud just morph and change. It's gorgeous how it's like lit up. Anyway, time to continue. Let's go see the good stuff. Gorgeous, up on top of like a 150-foot cliff here, just like the cliffs on the other side over there. Beautiful. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, here's a great viewpoint here. Great vantage point of the entire area. Alright guys, the end. The glacial potholes. By the way, I just heard the horn, probably of the ship arriving. There is a ferry boat you can take up and down the river. don't remember. I don't know how much it costs, but here we go. Look at this. So these were created when glaciers melted, and the flowing water coming out of the glaciers pushed rocks around, creating these big holes. Lots of live music on the boat. These railings weren't here last time I was here. You used to be able to climb down in there, and someone probably got hurt. Oh. This is a lot more developed than last time I've been here. When I was here, there wasn't really any paths or anything. You could just climb around everywhere. It was just a free-for-all. Oh yeah, look at this one. There we go. How many cell phones? Is that ice? I think that's ice on there. Oh. It's getting a little dark, guys. Sorry. Here's a great place for some bouldering. You can see chalk all over. Here we are. Nice little gorgeous end piece. Alright, there's the Queen Mary. Thanks for coming with me, guys. See you next week on Happy Trail Backpacking.